In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the blue dot on your Android. Okay, so this has to do with the new update of Android update 9, One UI 9. So if you go to, for an example, if I open up Maps and then open up Maps, okay, for me, I'm on One UI 8. So for me, I get that little notification icon at the top of my screen, as you can see right there, and a green dot. And then if I close my Google Maps, I have a green dot instead of a blue dot, but it's pretty much similar. What that means is that the Google Maps application is using my mobile data. I mean, not my mobile data, but my location. So what you can do is you can swipe down to your notifications. If you have the One UI 9, and then actually that green dot for me means microphone. Okay, so if you have the blue dot, it means location. What you can do is go to your notifications. It'll show you which app is using the location, or if you want to turn it off completely, go into your settings, and then you just want to search for location, and then what you want to do is disable your location like that, and then your location will be disabled. And that's what you can do. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.